Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I am crazed. Let's jump into more warships, shall we? Last time we had a spectacular fail with the Clemson. Let's just keep going on down the line, playing the Phoenix here. Had a recording issue last time around. Figured out about halfway through playing my last one. Well, that was recording too, obviously, and there was a problem. Let's go ahead and put some stuff on that I haven't yet. Alright, so this is a Tier 4 US cruiser. Up to, I think, Tier 5 US cruisers still have torpedoes, so that's nice. But US cruisers get really good later on. They really fulfill the anti-air role, which is what they're supposed to do. Zooming out, it always starts zoomed in. This is another domination game. Looks like we're going to be shooting right up the right side there. You can see my map this time.
General quarters.
My little greeting. I call people sea monkeys. Dooby-dooby-doo. Now you notice I have different ammo types, so I have high explosive and armor penetrating. For cruisers, I generally always use high explosive. They work on destroyers. The only thing you really want to shoot at destroyers, because you'll over penetrate and not damage them enough if you use armor penetrating. And for battleships, the penetrating rounds, they just won't penetrate most of the time. So you just bounce off and then won't do anything. And I've got trusty little torpedoes. Couple. Not as torpedo heavy as destroyers, obviously, but it's what it is. So, I've got very little support going over here to Charlie. Charlie bit me! There's a reference for it. Yeah, that's the way to go. Advertise for other people's videos. Huh? Doo-doo-doo. He's so pretty. Got little flags. Little flags are actually boosts. I can show you guys that stuff later on. Yeah, lots of guns on cruisers. Early tiers, they're not really fulfilling the anti-air role, because you don't have the powers yet.
Dead ahead.
Oh, that means we got a destroyer.
The enemy team is taking the lead.
That's alright.
We're hull below the water lines. We're flooding quickly. Problem solved, sir.
That's kind of crap right there is what that is. Should be able to see them far before that. Whatever. This may be a short showing again. There you are. Be another bad one, guys and gentlemen. Oh, if I can get away from that. Shot my own torpedoes into nothingness.
Torpedoes, direct front.
I'll get some shots on target.
In the lead.
on, repair. I need my
Torpedoes
repair.
to starboard.
6 seconds. Why am I not... he's right here, but yet I can't see through the smoke. Right. Oh, look. He's shooting at me more. He
Problem
can see
solved,
me, but
sir.
I can't see him. Sometimes... Gosh. Well, I said in my first video that I thought it was alright and not too crappy. That apparently is being disproven.
Torpedoes, dead ahead.
And it's just no use trying to dodge those torpedoes. Hopefully mine hit. We're just gonna wait a second to see if they hit. Can't believe I'm the first one to die again. Hey, I got 2 hits. And I sunk him.
We've destroyed an enemy
Well.
cruiser.
Yes, we have. Yes, we have. Thank you, Mr. Announcer Guy. Tier 4 Phoenix. Pretty crappy showing. Sorry about that. More videos to come. Thanks for joining me. We'll,